Hello, my name is Charles Cochran. I'm part of the Cochran Nanas Futures Trading Group. I would like to welcome you to a brief recap for our trade recommendation in the Emini on April 14th, 2014. We started off this morning wanting to buy 10 to 12 area, and this was before the 8:30 news, the retail sales news. So we started off, and you had this in your hand about 7 o'clock Eastern, and that was our buy area. After the 8:30 news hit, we raised that buy to 15 to 17. In the morning, again around 7 Eastern, we wanted to sell 24s to 26s. This was our sell area. And the news hits, it takes the market higher. When the market opened, we said if we're going to have a strong market today, look for a little head fake off the opening, maybe a little bit of selling. And so our first entrance into the market would have been when you took out 9:27 Eastern bars low. You would have sell stopped in the market and you were short in the 22 area. This was a fairly aggressive trade, and it would require nimbleness. If you didn't like that trade, our second trade setup is what we call our setback trade, as denoted by this S, and you would have had a sell stop into the market and you'd have been short in the 20 area. So all in all, you were short off of our setups in the 20 to 22 area, and the market traded down to 1550. You got 2 to as many as 5 points out of it, depending on how you got in and how you took yourself out, and that was a real good trade and a nice way to start the week trading. Our buy recommendation in the 15 to 17 area, this little green line here, we have what is called a mean green trade. And it's done by a resting limit buy against the mean green line. So that would have had you along at 1650. If you'd taken yourself out at 24, picked up leaning against this high right up here, you'd have picked up 7 points, and you could have done a little better with more patience. The second entry would have come right here. We get a higher low. We've got this B signifying that it's a buy in this area. And when you take out this bar's high, you buy stop into the market and you're long at 19. And again, if you took yourself out at 24, leaning against this high right here, you would have had yourself 5 points. So we caught both sides of the market. You had this information in your hands at about 7 o'clock to 7:10 Eastern. Plenty of time to track the early activity and to take advantage of our trading ideas. And it would have given you anywhere from 2 to 5 points from the short side, and from 7, say 5 points or more to the long side for a really, really good trade. As the day progresses, right here is our retest failure trade. So you would have had a sell stop. You would have been short 25.50 area. Just got 2 points. Trade didn't develop. Again, for a retest failure trade right here, you'd have been short in the 26.50 area, and this trade did develop, giving you a very, very nice profitable trade. For those of you who are interested in the way that we look at the market, our trade setups, please contact somebody at CNFT Futures Trading, and they'll go over our trades with you and get you signed up for a free trial for our room in our research surface. Looking forward to seeing many of you in the CNFT Emini trading room in the not-so-distant future.